Take 777. Action.
What's up, Proud Family? It's your boy Bobby.
And it's your girl Eve. And today we are here with
Meatloaf and Apples. What's up, M&A Crew?
And I'm Nick.
My kids. All of these are my children.
We got a little collab for y'all boys.
Yeah, so today we are doing. Tell them what we doing.
The 2-time spicy noodle challenge. Samyang.
Samyang.
As we begin our tape saying.
Samyang.
Whoever eats the most of their noodles is the winner. So we're gonna go get this cookie and then we're gonna be right back.
It's recording now. Put the camel's noodle in the pot. It's that sauce thing in there. Whoa! Oh, not that.
That is. That's a lot of substance in here.
That's that stuff right here.
That's the.
It's that stuff. It's
That's
liquid, dude.
That's the stuff. These are thick.
I thought it was a circle. They feel like a circle in the thing.
Okay, so say they gotta cook. Wow. Ever read it?
It's in Chinese.
No, it's small. But she is tired.
For 5 minutes.
God.
We are currently halfway through
That
one
looks
pack of
soggy.
noodles.
I'm gonna throw up.
What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts?
Man, these noodles looking weird.
Alright everybody. The noodles is done. Now all we gotta do is put that sauce and that sauce up in it. And this is that sauce up in it, man.
It's like you're supposed to put these flakes too.
This is that sauce. Man. I ain't scared though.
He ain't scared, he's saying.
I got some milk, y'all.
Trash. Sauce in there. Salt. Hey, don't get this in your eyes, bro. I think if you put it in your eye, you just die automatically.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, that's cool with that. Forget it. I'm getting scissors because I can't open it either.
Oh, no.
Sounds scary to me.
Plates open.
The face was easy.
Right.
Oh, that's seaweed and sesame seeds.
Yeah. It looked pretty good.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
These are my
That smells Asian.
The shiny flake.
Man.
Ancient Chinese secret. Can we?
But it's like the Slim Jim pack, man.
Dang! Let me do it. Don't do
I need a
it.
little your broke finger.
Let me do it. Don't put it in your mouth.
I got it. You bold.
Guys, broken
Even the
fingers.
scissors.
Let me
don't
use
wanna
my
open
broken
it. Here you
finger.
go. You can pour the rest of that. Ain't even touch my ball, but I need pack it out. Oh, you something else. You done already did it.
Y'all better come out. 'Cause I ain't no punk. I'm a gangster, my man. Y'all finna lose every time.
Whoa!
It looks like blood. Blood? Your mouth finna start bleeding.
Almost wasted it on my pants earlier.
Who said this smell good?
Me. Because it do smell like
It
beef.
smells really good. Smelly.
This smell like beef?
No, that smell like
seasoning,
that smell like
bruh.
sea. But when you put this on, it smells good.
I'm
Oh.
Asian. I don't even know how to use these. Y'all know how to
You
use
suck.
You need a fork.
Yeah, you better
You
not
got
use
the
no. You
fingers
better
too,
not use
though.
no fork.
That's right.
No, just pick it up. Dang.
When we go, everybody gotta go at the same time. Me.
I'm just mixing mine up.
Look, you finna take a go.
You done got yours mixed
It
up.
actually smells good.
I told you it
Smell like
smells
beef and it's
really
chicken.
delicious.
Woo! I'm gonna dip it that. You don't look like enough hotness. I'm gonna put some more.
Oh yeah, this sauce right here.
My finger all messed up.
Hot chicken flavor sauce. We gotta add that.
Hey,
No.
Hey, only the strong.
No.
Woo! I ain't missing on. Why you last one? Why you the last one? I had to go get a scissors.
Really good though.
Yes, it do. I shouldn't have ate so much earlier. I'm so hungry.
Something, bro. Sounds weird to me.
Okay. The tactic is to just, swallow it whole, do it quick, so I ain't gotta feel nothing.
See whole time Mito? I want 2 of them packs. Yeah, I'm gonna put a lot of that in there. It smells like, I don't think it's hot. It smells like teriyaki sauce.
Don't do it, Nick. That's not the challenge. You finna die.
Man, no, what's up? You put it on there, I'm gonna dip it.
How many you doing? I'm gonna do a dab. You do a dab. I do a dab.
I'm doing
dab.
I'm doing one more than you.
I do a dab.
Alert?
I want a dab too. Dab.
Got him. I'm not doing
That's not no dab.
I'm not doing that much.
This whole butthole finna fall off.
Right. I don't know how to use it, y'all. I'm gonna
You in this?
like
What? You gonna get that in your eye? Oh!
That's sweet. Y'all didn't even taste this yet. Y'all don't even know the fire that's gonna happen in our
don't look hot
whole
enough. It don't look
lifestyle.
hot
I don't think it's hot enough.
That's enough.
There
That's
you go.
enough.
Everybody-
Thoughts are deceiving.
I can't go out
Doing over
there.
here.
This is how I'm swirling it. It's working. Look, it's wrapped around. That's gonna be really easy.
Evanisha got the twirl going on.
You gotta slurp it
All right.
out.
Your family would be very
Disappointed.
I didn't grow up there, so they would. They.
Evanisha is part time,
I'm from Thailand.
so she should be cool.
I
Like
took
she
my
should.
water away. You know, I took my water away.
It's on the side. It's on the side.
Hey.
Everybody ready?
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Oh,
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Even like those dogs too. Looks
Okay.
in the heat. Hey, that thing look good.
Not
Oh
even
my
hot.
god.
Oh my God, let's be hot. She said,
Oh my god.
You crying?
It's making my head itch.
So scary.
Y'all finna keep me.
Oh, and very bitch.
Crazy.
No, I'm scared.
I'm the
Crazy.
first one to try it. Oh my god.
Crazy. Let me think. Let me think, bro. That's crazy. Nick, my eyes. My eyes.
I don't want to bite it no more. I'm a dollar with him.
My nose and my
I'm turning red.
They wasn't playing this week. This ain't
And
nothing.
you two want to put an extra dab. Ooh, Jesus.
I'm mad because they
Idiot.
actually real good,
They bust.
but they so spicy.
That was so good. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna cry.
I feel like I'm sweating.
Oh my God, it's so hot.
I can't put some on my mouth.
I'm gonna tap out already.
Mm.
Just make my head itch.
I'm crying.
I ain't that hot.
Ain't it hot for bro? You
Oh, wow, my lip.
can't feel my throat.
Bobby done died.
It only hurt when you stop.
He over there.
I can't do it.
I can't go.
I can't
I'm
do
sorry.
it.
My tongue hurts.
That ain't gonna work. And I'm mad.
Oh,
Bro, I took one bite in my nose.
oh, the butthole.
Why do I got my napkin?
The butthole is gonna be solid gold.
On my napkin.
I'm gonna give up.
All they need is
My eyes watering.
It's because my mouth hurt. I don't even want to.
it's mace. It's mace. It's mace.
I can't do it. I tap out already. I took 2 bites.
It's so good though.
Oh God.
But to stop it burning.
Mm-hmm.
My nose is burning.
It's like the heat from it
I can't.
coming off the stove too. I'm chilling. I'm chilling bad.
The water helping?
This milk not even helping.
Once you stop
I
thinking about
can't
it,
do it.
sounds soft to me. Why he keep moving?
I ain't done, but God, I'm trying to put it in my mouth and it hurts.
Like your tongue's stinging.
It's the heat from this is making my
That's
tongue
good.
hurt.
I
And
need
then
these
it's hot
cold.
too.
I need these cold.
Yeah.
The water, it kill it just a little bit. But
When the water in your mouth,
I ain't no pop. Cause you over
Oh
here
my god.
busting it down.
I feel like my tongue not there no more.
how you still like feeling your tongue?
What? I don't.
You are a real trooper. You gonna have to boo boo tonight.
I can't feel my lip.
Bro, I cannot.
Hold on.
It's too hot.
Oh my God.
I'm really done.
Ah.
My tongue is on fire.
Oh.
I'm trying.
I thought I was
My
gonna
crying, bro. I'm soft. Yo. Wow.
Wow. Like I need more milk.
Oh my God. Oh, come on. Come
My mouth is hot.
You can calm down for a second.
Need something else. No, I need these.
Kudos to you.
I
I
need
need
to
to
put it in
cool
the
down.
freezer.
Yeah, I need to cool down.
I would eat it, but
But it
I-
hurt. It's
You need to wipe
sticky.
your nose.
I'm soft. Hey, why we did this? Oh no, why we did it?
I only took 2 bites, y'all. My mouth is still on fire. I feel like I gotta go get some milk.
I think y'all lost by that. I think I can't.
I ain't finished yet. I'm gonna just cool down.
Y'all supposed to be drinking it. Y'all some straight food.
I ain't quitting. I'm not quitting. I ain't no quitter. I ain't no loser. You baby, you should take a break. My lip hurt. I can't even stop it.
What you doing with the ice?
Hey, mind your own business.
They don't even smell spicy at all.
My lip is on fire.
These noodles are
Watch
dead.
out, fool. Move, you already got one.
You ain't supposed to drink that.
You want some milk?
Cool it down.
She needs some milk.
Cool that down.
Y'all put ice in it?
Ooh, they do
I'm
work for a
finna-
minute.
I'm gonna eat it.
That's cheating though. We ain't doing it right with.
Oh, it's just too hot. It's not.
I'm gonna watch y'all
It's
die.
not spicy at all. It's just
Is
hot.
it? Yeah, this is.
No, you know it's
Lies.
spicy. That tongue burned.
Damn, that burned.
My tongue is
Ooh,
still
Yeah. I'm
burning.
need burning.
I took 2 bites.
I don't understand how you finna be done.
I can't feel my lip, bro. I'm glad you both did it.
I ain't done.
It hurt.
It was hurting so bad. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's not the fastest. It's the. You ever heard of the tortoise in the
No.
You don't even know what you're trying to say.
Because you can eat it real fast and die and go to sleep.
Really, nigga?
From what little fucker?
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the
I'm
chance.
gonna win. Me? I'm gonna win. This is something else. I thought they were lying. You come on the whole time, but they be over exaggerating. I took one bite and I was crying.
I took like 3 of them. I was straight. That 4th one, it was like, yeah. Calm down, soldier.
And I like spicy food. I love it. Eat that. Oh. Eat that.
It's a bottle cap, boy.
2 bites, y'all. That's all I took.
If it wasn't for the fact that you are salting your mouth when you put the shit back in there. I'm just gonna take. It's my last bite. I can't go no more.
I gotta finish it.
Trying again.
I think you won already. You don't gotta even take
Did I
another
win?
bite.
I'm not sure. We ain't finished yet.
You up there though?
I put some ice in here too, but you true.
Watch this.
Can't even grab it. Ooh.
Oh God, y'all are cheating. Y'all lost anyway, you cheaters.
How?
We ain't supposed to do none of that. We ain't supposed to drink it.
They didn't even say that in the rules. Let me talking about.
Oh God.
It hurt when I talk, so I'm gonna just go ahead and shut up.
Yo, what are you talking about, man?
This can kill you, y'all. 0 out of 10. I highly unrecommend this. And like they eat this, like Asian people eat this,
You
like chilling. Like
Asian.
I can't do it.
It probably ain't even hot. These fools want to put it every day.
You keep on going. You
Oh, we
keep
got
on
it. You
fighting.
cheated anyway.
That boy is red.
Move that. Take that back in there. So we can see his thing. The ice move your side. Yeah, move it. Yeah. Move it back. Woo!
I'm gonna just place it this way. So if y'all need
Baby,
it.
you fucking bastard. You goddamn cheater.
Say less.
No!
I was gonna do it.
Full of shit.
That boy sniffling. Y'all, I don't know whose is lower.
I'm done. I can't.
Huh.
So I gotta finish this bowl.
I think his lower than yours.
What?
His is down there. She like,
It's
It's burning.
You running around the house.
I don't even want to laugh at my lips.
Flew through his
I'm
shoe.
starting to be okay now.
Hold on.
Go ahead, eat some more then.
No. 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 I got to take you to the hospital because I'm gonna pass out right here. And you put so much in there.
Come on, girl. Woo! You a grown ass woman. You a grown ass woman. You a grown ass woman. Do that shit. Ooh, come on, Jesus. Come on.
I'm
It's the
still
last
out.
one. If I get this, I beat you,
You won.
right? Look. If I get
My
this
mouth's-
part, I beat
yeah.
you.
You won.
Definitely.
Okay.
You
Okay.
won. You got.
Okay. All right.
Your lip. Thank you.
This for my channel. This for my Meatloaf and Apples, my M&A Crew.
Your hands
What it do? Because it hurts so bad. It hurts.
I only took 2 bites. And my mouth's still burning a little bit.
You a champ. You was a killer. You was that.
Nick's still fighting.
Ah!
He's still going. Did the ice didn't help at all?
Would you just ask me?
Bro, put it back in the middle.
It was on flow. Oh my God.
Look like you eat the ice off the floor.
I was on flow.
Oh, it hurts to laugh. Oh, my lip.
Dang.
Oh, my lip.
More water.
Oh, my lip.
I'm gonna eat the bottle.
Nobody bring my ice cream.
Oh,
It's in the cup in the
he finna eat it.
refrigerator. Either one.
Oh God.
Here. Is both of these yours?
Nope. I just made it for somebody else. Because somebody was going to die.
You know what? You know what?
Yeah.
Huh?
It burns.
I
My ears.
won.
Hers is basically gone. I got a full bowl.
I can't go.
Here, you want this?
I'm gonna kill myself.
What?
I'm just gonna kill myself.
Come
My
on. I
ears
can't
are
see.
burning.
I'm gonna drink a water.
Is that helping?
Oh, that's, ooh.
I'm really enjoying this because I was in suffer right now.
Oh,
I'm okay now. I'm good.
oh, it feels so good.
Shivering.
Mm.
I don't know if it's hot or cold.
It feels like cream on your mouth. Feels great. Oh, God.
The back of my throat.
Just imagine you putting ice cream after this nasty ass hot shit. It tastes really great.
It do taste real good. It's just too spicy.
I think.
Oh Lord, I wasn't cussing none, Jesus. I'm so sorry right now.
I probably shouldn't have put
Y'all
all
gonna bloop
that.
me out. Bloop me out.
Did I cuss?
I don't know. You probably.
My lips feel swollen. Y'all was still eating.
I want to say you beat me, but I don't know.
I'll keep eating.
Nah, you done. This is over with.
Oh God.
Dude, it kicked. It kicked the back of your throat.
Milk.
He needs
You gotta
some
hold that
milk.
milk in your mouth for a while.
In your throat.
Oh, jug.
Oh. This shit ain't work. I mean, this stuff is
It's not. It's not.
You gotta give it some time.
Mm-mm.
You gotta hold it.
Like, it be working.
It didn't get worse.
It
Right?
didn't
It get it.
oh God.
I don't know how to try. Bro, they eat the whole thing.
That's because they came out of the womb eating hot sauce.
What? Ah!
I think they be fake. They be faking it. That sauce they use is different.
Can't you read that? I was
Jesus.
like, see what's in it.
Will the burn just stop?
It just say spicy.
It drinks
No, this-
Why in my dad's house? I don't know what to say, bro.
It is wheat flour
Mm-mm.
to P.O.BOX.
All that thing, it probably could say, kill yourself on it. Spicy. Spicy, kill yourself. Spicy,
Got citric
spicy throat burn.
acid in
2
here.
times. Spicy stomach ouch. Spicy tongue disintegrator.
No, this the motherfucking. I just a custom. This the lip splitter. Like if you smile.
Nick, I'm gonna throw up.
This is what happened. What did you just do?
Don't tell us. No.
You throw up?
I don't know.
No, I didn't.
Don't tell us what you did. We don't even know.
You spit the milk out and it was red and white.
Why you calling?
No, you just making it worse. That's not nothing like that.
No.
I want to know what he do.
All
It
right.
don't still stink.
I cried.
My mouth is still burning.
My back hurts. Woo! This gotta come out.
It looks so good though. Like it look like
This is not doing nothing.
Lord,
It tastes great. It tastes like teriyaki noodles,
it tastes wonderful. That really tastes
but
good.
with hot sauce from the devil.
Yes.
Like I really want to eat it, but it's too spicy.
Was this cold enough?
Mm-mm.
Woo!
How do you get spice? Gone, my lip burning, my tongue burning.
This is dead.
Okay.
Don't send me in no video. See y'all when I see y'all. If I'm not in the hospital.
Can't get ice off.
I won. Everybody say it.
I think you did.
I'm not saying
I
nothing.
think I won because I played it smart and I didn't kill myself. So
The water is making it
Beautiful my
worse.
Meatloaf and Apples channel. Please go subscribe, like it.
We're gonna put the link in the
Follow me on
description.
Instagram. Also Meatloaf and Apples.
Yeah, on our channel, we gonna put her channel name right here somewhere. It's gonna be right here on this screen somewhere.
I won.
Go
You deserve
subscribe
to.
to that.
Yeah. Since I won, you have to.
Y'all ready to take this video out?
Whew.
All
All right, Proud
family.
family.
Catch y'all tomorrow.
Or the day after that.
Peace out, gang. Gang, gang.